Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present you about A/B testing analysis result for this new banner. Let's move to the first slide. The goal of this new banner implementation is to increase awareness of food and beverage section in order to increase sales. The experiment was only being run on mobile website. Users randomly assigned to control or treatment groups, and uh, control group users only saw the existing landing page, and treatment users saw the landing page with this new banner. So the task of this experiment is all about analyzing the A/B test findings and make a recommendation to relevant stakeholders about this new banner and that they should implement to all users or not. Duration of this experiment was 13 days. There were 48,943 users selected to two groups. And for A/B testing, our first metrics was what is the average amount spent per users for the control and treatment groups. As you can see in our plot results, there were no significant difference among both groups. When statistically saying, the probability of findings are due to chance is 0.094, which is higher than the probability of error, which is 0.05. Therefore, no strong evidence for increased average amount spent per user in treatment group. Based on this finding only, we are not in position to take decision. So therefore, we decided to conduct another A/B testing for second matrix and did further segmentation analysis for data. So our second metric was what is the user conversion rate for the control and treatment groups. So clearly, as you can see, there is a significant difference in bar plot and the interval plot here. And statistically also the same. Probability of findings due to chance is 0.0001, which is lower than the error tolerance here. We saw strong statistical evidence that the conversion rate was different between two groups. So support this logic, we did some segmentation analysis. So our first analysis was conversion rates by gender. Um, the treatment group has higher conversion rate than the control group for all genders, and female users have higher conversion rate compared to other genders. And device-wise, also the same conversion rate for both Android and iPhone users is higher in treatment group. And we analyze another important thing, how many unique users saw the banner each day, and number of purchases daily, and daily user conversion rates. So it appears that the number of users as well as the number of users who made the purchases declining over time, and conversion rates also have higher conversion rates on certain days. So we move to spent users for each group, control and treatment. So as you can see, both groups, it was declining, but when group wise, daily spent, when considering daily spent by users, uh, the group B, which is treatment group, is higher than the group A, control group. And you can clearly see in the line plot here our logic. So conclusion. According to the histogram on the line chart, it can be concluded that the treatment group has higher conversion rate compared to the control group. However, it is important to note that both groups had relatively low number of users who spent over 100 euros. Uh, so next thing is we did some analysis for continent wise. So North America has the highest conversion rate, Oceania has the lowest ones, but this is a bit challenging because there are, in population wise, it is different in each continent. So I think we cannot get clear clarification here about conversion rates. So we move to the country-wise segmentation, and we plot a box plot for mean values of purchases for each country. So we saw two outliers, which is USA and Australia. And for USA, so when compared to the conversion rates, treatment group has higher conversion rate compared to the control group for USA. And for Australia, we didn't get clear idea about conversion rate for conversion rate for treatment group or control group. And basically, based on the strong evidence we had observed, I would highly recommend to launching the banner for all users. It is statistically supported, and it is also supported through the segmentation analysis. So I highly recommend to launching the banner for all users. And for suggestion for next experiment is that we had done the power analysis. So sample size of for the experiment is this amount. So this amount can be used as a guidance for future studies, aiming to detect similar effect sizes between control and treatment groups. So this is end of our presentation, and thank you so much for your participation. Have a nice day.